Hi guys, today we are going to look at the different features in My English Lab. So I'm going to sign in to my account and we will go through each of the options. So this is the home page for My English Lab. You should see your name here in the right hand corner, signed in as your last name and first name. If you see your name, you're in the right account. Now, you have 5 different tabs in the ribbon. You have assignments, course, gradebook, messages, and settings. Here are the different levels. The first box you will see should be your class. It should have your class name. If you are in levels 6, 7, and 8, you should see Future Advanced. The first box that is highlighted is your class, okay? And that is under Course. So when you sign in to My English Lab, you always fall under Course. And you will see all of the topics that are available to you. If you see this I that is slashed through, you cannot go into it. Okay, so the only thing that is available is Unit 1, the power of goals. This is so that you do not get confused if the teacher gives you an assignment to do. So the only thing that we have access to right now is Unit 1, the power of goals. Anything else you cannot click, and it says hidden for students. Okay, that means your teacher does not want you to be confused, and you can only go to the tab that is available, the unit that is available to you. Okay, so that is what we see under course.